In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add VPN extensions to Google Chrome browser. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can navigate without any delays. This process is quick, and once you know where to look, adding a VPN extension to Chrome is very straightforward. After Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions can be found and installed. Using the Chrome Web Store is important because it helps you get browser extensions directly through Chrome's supported system. Once you arrive there, you will see a search area that lets you look for specific tools and add-ons. In the search bar, type VPN and start the search. This will bring up a list of VPN-related extensions that are available for Chrome. You may see several different options, so take a moment to look through the results carefully. In many cases, the extension name, rating, and a short description can help you identify the one you want. It is always a good idea to review what you are installing so you understand what the extension is designed to do inside your browser. When you find the VPN extension you want to use, click the blue Add to Chrome button. This is the option that begins the installation. Chrome may show you a confirmation message before the extension is added. If that appears, simply review the prompt and continue with the installation. This helps make sure you are aware of what the extension is requesting before it is added to your browser. Once the extension is installed, Chrome usually places it in the extensions area near the top right side of the browser window. From there, you can open it and continue with any setup the extension may require. The main part of the process is simply opening Chrome, visiting the Chrome Web Store, searching for VPN, and clicking Add to Chrome on the extension you want. That covers everything you need to know.